Hello, this is Kgalaletso Masege presenting strategic management of nokia company. This presentation aims to critically evaluate the strategic and non-strategic decision-making processes and the difference between functional business level and corporate level strategy in nokia company. The presentation also analyzes nokia company's appetite and maturity towards managing risk and offering a number of sustainable future strategies that could be adopted by the company. Nokia company is a multinational company that engages in the manufacturing and selling of mobile phone devices as well as mobile network equipment. Its history can be traced back to 1965 when an engineer, Frederick Edelstam, established a wood palm mill and started manufacturing paper in southern Finland. Over the years, Nokia has evolved to become a global telecommunication leader. Nokia company is divided into 4 different business segments, which are multimedia, mobile phones, network, and enterprise solutions. Nokia's vision is connecting people. Its mission is to build great mobile products that enable billions of people everywhere to get connected. Strategic decision making. This is pertaining to choose an alternative among a set of alternatives that leads to strategy-related success, and the decision have an effect on the firm's long-term orientation and direction. There are 3 levels of strategic decision making, which are corporate level strategies, business level strategies, and functional strategies. Corporate level strategy. This is concerned with the overall scope of an organization and how value is added to the constituent business of the organizational whole. The acquisition of Siemens' stake in Nokia Siemens Networks. Nokia has been actively acquiring companies with interest in new technologies and competencies, and the acquisition were targeted to enhance Nokia's ability to help create the mobile world. One of Nokia's acquisitions is Siemens' stake in Nokia Siemens Networks. In accordance with the transaction, the Siemens name is being phased out from Nokia Siemens Networks company name and branded to be called Nokia Solutions and Networks, NSN. NSN is the world specialist in mobile broadband, and it operates at the forefront of each generation of mobile technology. Nokia will benefit from the acquisition as it could strengthen its competitive position through increasing of scale, creation of value, and gaining market power. The acquisition can also increase profitability of Nokia company, as the profits will no longer be shared between the 2 companies. This associated with the acquisition is that companies often overestimate economic benefits of the acquired acquisition, hence pay more for the target company than it is probably worth. The other risk is high management turnover of the employees who were working for the acquired business. Therefore, Nokia company should have screened Siemens before the purchase to lessen the risk of purchasing a company with more money than it's probably worth. Nokia should have made their employees aware of the changes before they happen to avoid high staff turnover. The acquisition could affect HR department, as people often fear change, and acquisition carried as an uncertainty and change for employees. The Department of HR will also have to hire and train new employees employed in NSN. Business level strategy. Business level strategy is about how a business should compete in its compete in its product or service market dominance. Nokia and Microsoft alliance. Because of the competition from other companies such as Samsung, BlackBerry, and others, Nokia has decided to partnership with Microsoft to build a new global mobile ecosystem, which is Windows Phone, which will serve as Nokia's primary smartphone platform. Nokia plans to form a strategic plan with Microsoft to build a global mobile ecosystem based on highly complementary assets. This would benefit Nokia company as it will strengthen its competitive position, and this would also create a new market for Nokia company. Nokia company faces a risk of Microsoft taking what it has learned from Nokia deal and improving Windows Phone and license it to any handset manufacturers, because the deal between the 2 companies is non-exclusive. Nokia should have signed a contract with Microsoft which binds Microsoft not to work with other companies except Nokia. The partnership of Nokia and Microsoft will affect the Department of Marketing of Nokia company, as the department will have to market via Windows phones, which serves as Nokia's primary smartphone platform. Nokia Group, the Finland-based manufacturer of mobile phones, have been steadily working on its corporate brand name and management of consumer perceptions. Nokia is a great brand because it knows that the essence of the brand needs to be reflected in everything the company does, especially those that impact the consumer. Nokia brand helps Nokia company to occupy a distinctive place in the minds of the target market. Brand imaging can benefit the company's marketing strategy. The Nokia brand can also promote customer loyalty if Nokia products are satisfactory to the consumers. Branding also exposes Nokia company some risk, because if one of their products fails to satisfy the expectation of the consumers, that will be attached to the brand, which can result in losing customers to other brands. Nokia should therefore produce what is expected by the customers to maintain its respected brand. Functional strategies. These are operational strategies which are concerned with how the components of an organization deliver effectively the corporate level and business level strategies in terms of resources, processes, and people. High production, low price strategy. This is also referred as price leadership. Nokia decided to use this strategy in markets where high-end smartphones are unaffordable, such as in India, China, and Middle East. This benefits Nokia company as it allows them to obtain economies of scale, which also allows them to use a cost leadership strategy. Nokia cost leadership strategy allows it to garner a strong market share in global markets. This also enables them to informally set the industry prices. High production, low price strategy might expose Nokia company to some risk, because if products are expensive to create, attempting to have the lowest price may not lead to significant profits. This also leads to market saturation, because people do not need unlimited supplies of phones. Nokia company could also lose market of people who desire luxurious items. Nokia can therefore adopt interactive price and quality strategy to avoid saturation of the market and to cater for different people wishing for different qualities. This strategy or decision could affect HR department. This department frequently needs to motivate the employees to work hard, because high production can lead to overload on employees and may result in high staff turnover. Non-strategic decisions. These are decisions that have no effect on the firm's long-term orientation and direction. Advertising. Nokia tend to promote the new technology mobile devices they create using one big advertising campaign that focuses on a singular technology instead of individual handsets, so they can appeal to a lot of different markets with one campaign. This enables Nokia to save money compared to when they do many campaigns for different handsets. Nokia company that focuses on a singular technology reduces its chances of reaching larger markets like they would do if they have done several campaigns for different handsets. Nokia should therefore have campaigns for different handsets. Advertising affects finance department as large amount of money is used for advertising, and it also affects the marketing department as they have to be innovative to market their products effectively. Recommendations for appropriate future strategies. Differentiation strategy. Nokia company should adopt differentiation strategy instead of high production, low price, or cost leadership strategy. Differentiation strategy involves uniqueness along some dimension that is sufficiently valued by customers to allow a price premium. Nokia company should differentiate itself from its competitors using quality of their phones and their life expectancy. It should also differentiate itself from competitors using corporate social responsibility. This will strengthen Nokia's competitive position in the market. Interactive price and quality strategy. Nokia company should also adopt the interactive price and quality strategy instead of high price and low price strategy. This is because interactive price and quality strategy will enable Nokia company to sell their products at the price that it is worth the quality of the product. Thank you. That is the end of my presentation.